Hello, good morning students. Welcome back with Miss Dewi at Science 6, Chapter 3 and Lesson 2. In this chapter, we're gonna talk about food chains and food web. Are you ready to study? Let's get started.
How is energy transferred between organisms? In a habitat, energy is transferred from one organism to another through feeding. Look at these food chains. Food chains represent the feeding relationship and hence the energy transfer from one organism to another. A food chain always begins with a plant as the food producer. Look at this grass. Grass is eaten by the grasshopper, and the last grasshopper is eaten by the bluebird. That's called food chains. Let's talk about prey and predator. An animal that is hunted and eaten by another animal is called prey, while an animal that hunts and feeds on another animal is called predator. The examples of animal that is included into prey are mouse, grasshopper, and another animal that usually eat leaves or another plants. The animals that included into predator are eagle, komodo, or the other examples like tiger, lion, or etc. And next, let's talk about a primary consumer, secondary consumer, and tertiary consumer. As usual, it is begin from food producer, that's plant, and then eaten by grasshopper. It is called primary consumer. Primary consumer is the first consumer, and then next eaten by bluebird, that's secondary consumer. That's this bluebird eat grasshopper, and then next the last eaten by snake. Snake is the tertiary consumer. It is the third food consumer. Next, let's talk about food web. Food web is made up of two or more food chains. As you can see in the picture, food webs may be simple or complex depending on their purpose. A simple 6-member food web for a representative desert grassland. Let's see the picture. As usual, that begin from the plants, and then grasshopper, next scorpion, and kit fox. Plants also eaten by ground squirrel, and then ground squirrel eaten by kit fox, and also eaten by golden eagle. Decomposer. What happens when living things die? When plants and animals die, they are broken down into simpler substances by a group of organisms known as decomposers. These substances are nutrients for plants, bacteria, and fungi are decomposers. As you can see in the picture, this is bacteria and fungi. They will broken down into simple substances. It is called decomposers. This is the last in the food chains or in the food web. Okay, that's all about our topic today. I hope you understand about what I have already explained to you. If you have any question, you can ask me at Google Classroom. Thank you for your nice attention. Bye bye.